Best parts of working in the daycare parts 1. First on the list is smiles or yung ngiti nila pati ang hug. You see, you walk into a daycare and you will be greeted with children smiling at you. Some actually would be hugging you. Nakakatuwa kasi kumbaga the parents can see that there's like a connection between you and the children, and the parents have that kind of feeling na okay, this is the daycare that I want my children to be in kasi nga syempre there's a good relationship or there's a bond, there's a link that connects the teacher and the student. At saka nakakatawang isipin na yung mga parents sometimes, they will be saying, "Oh, what about Mr. John's hug? Where is it?" That kind of thing before umalis yung mga parents, they will say that. Kaya naman yung mga bata tatakbo at mag-hug sa'yo. Nakakatawa lang, nakaka-help na makawala ng pagod. Number 2, funny things children say. You see, ang mga bata sobrang nakakatawa yan. Kumbaga kahit ako minsan nagagaya ko na yung mga pinagsasabi nila You would hear something like, yesterday when I was a baby, di ba? Imagine mo, yesterday baby, tapos ngayon 3 or 4 years old na sila. Ang bilis lang ng mga pangyayari. And then if they're telling stories because they copy you, because I really love telling stories talaga, and these children would copy you and they will create their own story. And in their story, kasama ka. And then they will be, making you like, Mr. John, in my story was an ant. And it was eaten by, another person's name or another friend in the daycare. That kind of feeling at matatawa ka talaga kasi, wala lang. Yung imagination nila is talagang sobrang vast, sobrang laki. And if you are helping them to have that kind of imagination, it helps them holistically as well. Number 3 natin on the list is celebrating milestones. You see, may mga bagay na parang sa atin simple lang, pero malaking bagay sa bata at malaking bagay din sa parents. So there is a child dito sa aming daycare na kumbaga hirap na hirap siyang magpati, hirap siyang umihi or hirap siyang magpoop sa toilet. This is something that she was not at the time not very comfortable of doing. Pero one moment nandoon siya sa loob, try niya palang tumae. And then she started crying, she started like kind of screaming, and she was hysterical. And nung lumapit kami, when we asked her about what's happening, she said, "I pooped in the potty." That kind of thing. And natawa kami. Kasi, for her, it was the first time, kaya naman natakot siya. And at the same time, parang, syempre, it's something new for her. Kaya medyo, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. And then we relay that information to the parent, and the parent was actually really happy as well. And kumbaga, nasuportahan din ng parent, syempre, yung sinabi namin, and then yung pag-guide namin. At nagkaroon talaga ng magandang connection. The mom and the dad of this child. Although, we see them differently, different days. But napaka-supportive nila and napakabait ng mga magulang talaga. So, yeah, that's for part 1. I'll see you again in part 2.